Capitalism, an economic system that is controlled by private owners for profit rather than the state. Capitalism may be one of the greatest things that may have happened to our economic system. Or has it? Or has it gone too far? Or to an extent that we have all pushed ourselves and we have made it an economical greed and only maximizing profit instead of caring for our own world? Have we been damaging our planet just so we could get more profit out of our own system? Capitalism was a creation for private owners to maximize their profit, but we have been taking it too far. Now private owners are using the cheapest materials, using most harmful materials just so they could get an extra penny to the dollar. Many things you are using on your day-to-day lives are a creation of capitalism. This has led us to a new stream of development and more technological advancements throughout our history. Sure, capitalism has been a creation of our new world, but at what cost? For the better or worse, many challenges have been a creation of capitalism and have aspired due to capitalism. Because of capitalism, shifts that have changed around the world also destroyed it at the same time, all for one thing. All for one thing that all capitalists believe in, more capital. So is this the right way we are going through? Now this sparks a new center of our discussion. How has capitalism changed our new world? Simple reasoning, capitalism has created and destroyed the new world, creating new technology to help us in our day-to-day lives, but in return causing more problems to our Earth, with many problems like global warming and many other situations that we cannot fix. And now we are leading into a new stream of development. Now we have to use capitalism in order to fix our problems that capitalism has brought us in the first place. Capitalism may be well for our economy, creating competition with company to company, but many companies strive for the cheapest thing and to make more profit than the other. Companies strive to make a product better, such as your iPhone every single year, relaunching a new and better version of it, but keeping costs low at the same time, which has led to more problems such as global warming as companies strive to, to save a penny to the dollar. Now you may ask, how is this affecting us? Global warming has been rising and has become a bigger and bigger issue every single year. With the rise of pollution, our atmosphere has been getting worse and worse. Now our place that we call home has been experiencing many changes. Humans are also affected by the pollution. This has soon led to the many respiratory diseases, many such as lung cancer that are very deadly and fatal. Every single day we deplete the earth of the earth's natural and raw materials. We may not realize this, but we do, and we often overlook how much resources we actually have in today's earth. Many individuals throughout the advancements have had huge breakthroughs through the history and has pushed for more development in today's society. But unfortunately, we have been depleting the earth, but have we gone too far? Business owners wanted to maximize profits, so they created ways so they can keep profits low. But with this, unfortunately, many problems have started to arise. The world is now facing a new problem, and that is climate change. Due to capitalism and trying to keep the costs low on many of their products, we have been damaging the earth and releasing harmful things to the atmosphere. Scientists have soon rushed to this situation and tried to stop it from affecting our world even more. Geoengineering was created so we could reverse the effects of climate change. But what we have to see is geoengineering would have never been needed to be created. This was all created because of the effects of capitalism. Now what we are doing is using capitalism to reverse the effect of a capitalism. Now we are seeing the consequences that we deal with in our lives. The Earth's raw materials are slowly depreciating, and now we have to find new means in order to get raw materials. Many other stuff like global warming has been a rise, and the Antarctic has been slowly melting away. But this has not been the very start of it. The rise of the Industrial Revolution has changed many things. Before coal and oil were being used, we have been using water and wind and forest energy to improve our workflow. Due to the rise in the Industrial Revolution, we have changed to another alternative to keep costs low and more efficient. And this was the very start of the capitalism. This has soon been known as the rise of the cheap nature. The rise of capitalism soon fell into nature. We have been cutting down on many things in order to increase productivity and many other things. Many may argue that global warming is not happening because of the rise of capitalism, or many may argue that capitalism is needed for more technological advancements. But this is simply not true. We see our world depleting on our very own eyes, and we are just simply ignoring the fact that capitalism has brought this upon us. Yes, capitalism has created newer technology and new advancements in the 21st century, allowing us to communicate easier and problem solve at a much faster rate. With these advancements, lives change at an exponential rate, and many to argue that it changed the economy as well. But as we all know, capitalism has just brought us more challenges to face in our upcoming future. We have now have to use capitalism to fix what capitalism has brought us. We have to stop using cheap materials to maximize our profit. Instead, we have to create renewable energy and stop cutting down on cost.